Wow! A set of speakers that are literally older than a Bible. Okay, now let's get serious. How did I got them? I was scrolling on my favorite site called OLX. Yes, it is literally OLX. I was scrolling and I saw this for 20 bucks and I got them to 15. And I say, yeah, that is mine. But it had a one catch. You see, oh, that's not good. So, in this episode, we're gonna fix this. It isn't like this is broken because I totally didn't repair this before time, but it doesn't matter. I need to get a little bit of practice. Now I will do this one in front of camera. Now, what we will need for this? We will need things called foam surrounds for speakers. You can get them in various sizes for your speaker. This isn't totally size for this, it is a little bit bigger, but I will tune this to fit this, like I have tuned this. I'll show you. Now, you see how I finished this. It isn't perfect, but it works. Now, we will do for this. And other thing that you're gonna need to have is a glue. It doesn't matter what type it is. It, it can be like universal like this. I don't care. It's your speakers. And by the way, how much cost this? I paid them 15 bucks on OLX, the same site. Maybe cheaper on eBay, I don't know. And if you want to get this, first you need to measure your speaker. You take something like this, or you can do something more precise. I didn't. And then you measure like whole speaker size, like this 20 centimeters. Then this, we're gonna get here this inner ring. This is around 18 centimeters. Then we will take outer measurement of this cone, that is 15 and a half, and this inner ring, that's gonna be like 14. Now, if you now when you get on listing, you're gonna have perfect, but those speakers aren't perfect either, so who cares? Now, first thing that we gonna need to do is take this speaker out. Now, when we have this speaker out, we first need to remove this old foam surround that has literally disappeared. Now, how we can do this is with a really sharp razor blade and like rubbing alcohol. I have this, so I tested on this speaker before and it works really well. So this is the first step. Now when you have done that, maybe not crappy like my job, but like this, now we need to do this inside. Now, when your speaker is clean, we need to cut this inner part of a cone, I don't know how it's called, and put trimmings inside. Why? Because this must stay in the center so it doesn't rattle when you play music. That's supposed to be it, I hope. Now when that part is finished, you take your thumbs round. That isn't the right size. You take your, I hope, sharp scissors and then just cut this inner line. Now just see if it fits. And it is actually in center. Wow. Gluing this masterpiece.
This welder is asking for $31.
Now, when pre-washing is done, it's dry a little bit. I can't wait anymore. Now we need to glue this. This is really important. You need to center this how much you can. Now you glue it. Dry. Now I need to take the trimmings out and then pray to God it's in center. It is. Ah, it's so much easier because this is semi-dry. This now I need to flick this down. Nice. And then take a more Patex Universal Classic glue. And I'm gonna make this a little bit easier for you to see. Okay. Okay, now it's a little bit closer. Now I just need to put some glue on this.